today I thought I would share with you one of our make and takes from our Christmas open house a couple weeks ago. We did the hair scrunchie last week. I'm doing the hot pad this week, and I'll show you the mystery of the hot pad in just a minute. It's done using layer cakes, so I just brought up a few of our layer cakes so that you can maybe start to think about, you know, what is here. You get 8 hot pads out of 1 layer cake. Okay, so a lot of choices, a lot of variables with your layer cakes. These are just a few of the layer cakes that we have in stock, so keep that in mind. They're also on the website for those of you who don't live in the St. George area. But for these hot pads, you need a 10-inch square of insul-brite, which is this right here. And the insul-brite has, I don't know if you can see that, it's got a little metallic in it, so that's what's going to keep you from burning your hand. Then you need a 10-inch square of batting, and this is just a cotton, just 100% cotton batting. You can use any scrap of batting, don't use polyester though. Okay, and then you need 5 different 10-inch squares out of your layer cake. So there's 2, 3, 4, and 5. So I'm just going to set this part aside. I'm setting my insul-brite and my batting and 1 10-inch square aside. I'm going to put that right there. And this is how you prep for this. And now we're going to sew. Actually, we're not going to sew. We're going to press. I get ahead of myself. I get so excited. I'm going to fold these corner to corner. And if I do this right, I should be able to press these all at the same time. That is the, you know, the goal, to save time, right? Try and save time. So just fold them corner to corner, and you just need these 4. Oops, I moved that one, pull that one back. Hopefully my iron is hot and ready to go. Corner to corner, turn that around better. Okay. All right. And now I'm just going to press them all. And that one's kind of moved on me, so let me fix that just a little bit. These are so fast and so easy, and the hardest part is actually getting them placed and folded right, I think. Okay, that's good. All right. So now I'm going to set these over here. I'm going to bring this back just because it's right here in front. All right, now we're going to lay these down. And I'm going to put, so they're diagonal on the 45 corner to corner also. Do you see that? And I'm going to take just 2 right now and do that. Because this is where people can kind of get a little, oh, I can't remember what I'm doing. So your first step after you've got them pressed is going to be, you're going to have 2 of your triangles like that. Now we're going to do going the other way. And at this point, I am going to lift up this one, fold it back, and then fold it over like that. Okay? I'm going to take my other one right here. Wait, nope, it goes there. See, you have to think what you're doing. And, yeah, did I do that right? See, the nerves of doing it on camera, because we want to see polka dot, we want to see, I might not have done that one right. Hold on. I did these like last night and had no problem, so I can see what I'm doing. And now I can't do it because I'm doing it on the camera for you guys. Because we have to see what we're doing here. Okay. And then this one goes back. Okay, there we go. You just sometimes might have to stop and think a little bit. Get them flat. Make sure your edges are as lined up as you possibly can be. So you might have to do a little bit of adjusting, right? Get them all lined up. Then take your Wonder Clips, because this is a little bulky. Just take your Wonder Clips, and clip around your edges. Now I would take a little more time and make sure that I am all lined up before I sew. But that's where we're at. Okay, I'll move that out of the way. I already sewed this one, you can see. I've sewn, it's about not quite a half inch all the way around. I just followed the edge of my presser foot, my standard presser foot on my machine with my needle in the middle. Now I'm going to kind of cut some of this bulk off on the corners, right? Don't be careful not to cut through that point, because that is your sewing corner. But I do want to just come around. These are fast and easy. And now, and if you're wondering why I'm wearing my brace, it's because I've been doing a lot of sewing and turning of things, and it's caused my my thumb to act up weird, painful, so we're bracing it. And you're just going to turn this, the magic, and get your corners poked out. You might want to take a plastic turning tool, or if you have a favorite chopstick or something to help you poke those corners out. Da-da-da-da. But there you go. There is your hot pad. I would give it another press to make it all lay flat. Ta-da! Super easy, super fast. They take, I don't know, 15 minutes. So what a fun gift to give. Tie it up with some cooking tools, right? And a little bow. What a great last minute gift. All right, I hope you all have a Merry, Merry Christmas, and I will see you next Friday. You have a great day. Bye-bye.